You must have heard the term digital marketing, online marketing, and have always been curious about how individuals and businesses use it to increase brand awareness. The growth of digital marketing is fast and it will continue to grow in the coming years. Don't worry if you have no idea what digital marketing is. This video will explain everything you need to know. Hey everyone, I am Tushar Badiwal. Welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. In this video, we will understand digital marketing from scratch. But before we begin, if you enjoy watching tech-related content, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and hitting that bell icon to stay tuned. So without any further delay, let's get started with the agenda for today's session. First, we will look at what digital marketing is. Next, we will understand the different components of digital marketing. Moving forward, we will understand the difference between traditional and digital marketing and why it is preferable to go digital. After that, we will dive into the challenges for digital marketers in 2022. Next, we will look at the top skills required to become a digital marketer. After that, we will discuss the average salary of a digital marketing manager. And finally, we will wind up the session by discussing the future of digital marketing. Hopefully, now you have a better idea of what we have in store for you. Now, let's see what digital marketing is. In simple words, digital marketing is the promotion of a product or a brand through one or more forms of electronic media such as internet, mobile phones, Google, search engine marketing, etc. It's a way to reach clients on time and retain them with interactive marketing using digital technologies. Also, it is the most accessible, easy to use and contemporary method of promotion, which is also known as online marketing. So now we have a clear understanding of what digital marketing is. We also need to acknowledge that it has several components and understanding each is essential. So let's jump into the different components of digital marketing. SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. SEO is the act of taking steps to help a website or a piece of content get higher ranking on Google. Moreover, SEO includes organic rankings, which means you do not have to pay to appear there. Up next, we have PPC. PPC stands for pay-per-click. It includes paid advertisements and promoted search engine results. It does the same thing as SEO, but the key difference is that it's inorganic, so you have to pay to be in that space. The next component is social media marketing. Social media marketing is a form of internet marketing that uses social media apps as a marketing tool. Brands can communicate with their audience using social media platforms, whether they are building a brand, increasing sales, driving traffic to a website, or building followers to share and engage with the content. Next, we have content marketing. Content marketing aims to increase brand awareness by telling stories and sharing information. Ultimately, the goal is to encourage readers to become customers by signing up for an email list, asking for more information, or making a purchase. Email marketing involves sending promotional messages to many people at once. In most cases, it's used to generate lead for sales, but it can also include advertising. The next component that we will be discussing is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a component of marketing in which one person promotes another company's or person's product. A person who promotes a product or service is called an affiliate, and the affiliate also gets a certain amount of commission. Up next, we have mobile marketing. With this type of digital marketing, you will reach your target audience on their smartphones. Mobile marketing reaches people through text messages, social media, websites, emails, and mobile applications. Now we are on to our last component, which is influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves promoting your product through mentions and endorsement from influencers. Individuals who have a dedicated following on social media are seen as industry experts. Now let's have a look at the business models in digital marketing. B2B, which means business to business. B2B refers to business transaction between two companies. In the world of B2B, digital marketing is a crucial element. Through a digital market campaign, we can reach another company's decision maker. One of the best examples is LinkedIn advertising, which many B2B companies use to target their potential customers. Next we have B2C, which is business to consumer. B2C refers to business transactions between business to consumer. B2C digital marketing allows you to reach out directly to your potential customers using digital channels. As we know, millions of people are using internet and are active on digital channels. For example, using Facebook ads and Google ads, you can directly target consumers by their age group, interest, location, etc. And the final one is C2C, which is consumer to consumer. C2C refers to a business transaction between consumers. Nowadays, consumers are using social media platforms and intermediaries to market their products and services. As a result, they can reach a wider audience. For example, OLX serves as an intermediary by allowing individuals to list their products and services for sale and other individuals can purchase them. Now, let's look into digital marketing versus traditional marketing. Several new and old businesses are harnessing digital marketing and rethinking their marketing funnels in the age of digital marketing. A digital revolution has reshaped how we live, interact, and conduct businesses. Traditional marketing seems to be losing its relevance in today's era of technology. Knowing which marketing method will work best for your business is essential. Traditional marketing methods such as printing material, radio, and television are quickly becoming outdated. They are too expensive, ineffective, and time consuming. However, digital marketing is the future of advertising. Now let's talk about a few reasons why digital marketing is a better choice than traditional marketing. Firstly, there is a global reach, a website that allows you to find a new market and trade globally for only a small investment. Lower cost. A properly planned and well-targeted digital marketing campaign can reach the right customers at a much lower cost than traditional marketing methods. The next benefit is analytics. Several tools are available to analyze and report on marketing data collected through digital channels, and the data is precious to any business. Now we are on to our last benefit, which is retargeting. Suppose we have a website that sells shoes and 100 people visit our website, but only 2 purchase the item. With the help of digital marketing, we can still target those 98 visitors and display our ads to them. People used to rely on traditional marketing before digital marketing. Traditional marketing is nothing new, as we have all seen and heard of it at some point. It is an effective way to reach a particular audience via offline methods such as magazines, newspaper, billboards, etc. Traditional marketing has its challenges such as time consuming, a limited number of customers served in one go, and a high cost. Similarly, digital marketing has its own challenges. Now let's look into the challenges in digital marketing. Learning about your customers. The internet has lot of users with lot of different interests, which makes identifying the right sort of audience for your product and service challenging at times. The next challenge is the generation of qualified leads in a competitive market. The digital revolution has resulted in businesses using digital marketing, but sometimes it becomes challenging to compete against your competitors. Next is compliance with privacy and data sharing regulations. Most people have their own website which can attract visitors from anywhere in the world. Ensure that you are compliant with any laws that apply to your target audience. Up next, we have developing an omni-channel marketing strategy. Multi-device and multi-platform use are increasing among customers. The days of relying solely on a single strategy like email or Facebook are over. Your strategy must be based on multiple platforms. Staying up to date with Google's algorithm. The digital empire of Google continues to grow. To compete, you need to stay up to date with the latest features, rules, and algorithms released by this giant search engine. Now we are on to our last challenge, developing a mobile-first strategy. The number of people browsing and shopping from smartphones and tablets has increased. If somebody wants to capture a share of ever-expanding mobile market, they must ensure that their website is mobile-friendly. Now that we have a better sense of challenges faced in digital marketing, it's essential to be equipped with the right skills to handle them. Now let's look at what top skills a digital marketer needs. It is crucial for anyone planning a career in digital marketing to understand what are the top skills required. It takes a wide range of soft and hard skills for digital marketers to succeed. As a digital marketer, you will need a different set of skills depending on where you work and what you do. Data analysis. Data analytics uses functional procedures and modern software programs to gather and analyze information from various online interactions with your target market. Content creation. Creating content that appeals to a brand's target audience is crucial for digital marketing. SEO and SEM. It is important to utilize relevant and specific keywords as Google's algorithm constantly updates. Both SEO and SEM help you reach your target audience and narrow down your customer base. Basic designing skill. Digital marketers should be familiar with software such as Adobe Creative Suite, Photoshop, After Effects, Illustrator, InDesign, etc. and Canva, as these would enhance their ability to create visual content. Social media. Businesses use social media platforms to target their content to specific audience and get accurate data. For this reason, a digital marketer needs to be very familiar with social media platforms. Communication skill. An influential digital marketer should look at things from a different perspective, convey information in an easy to understand manner, and figure out what audience find entertaining and valuable. Let's look at an example to understand digital marketing better. Raj owns a bakery shop in Bangalore, but he does not know how to market it. He called his best friend Rahul and he suggested trying out digital marketing. Here are a few examples Raj can try. Create a business plan for bakery. Develop a business website with SEO and include online ordering. Add a blog post for effective content marketing. Use social media effectively. Get his Google My Business listing and optimize it for SEO. Market his shops through Facebook and Google Ads. Hopefully, now you have a better understanding of the top skills which is required to become a digital marketer. If you are interested in learning these skills and are looking for a resource to learn digital marketing from scratch, then Simplilearn has postgraduate program in digital marketing. It is the world's #1 digital marketing course by Marketing Land and Search Engine Journal. Program duration is 6 months, 5 to 10 hours per week is required for the program. And the best part is you will get job assistance from our end. And when it comes to content, then it is created by the industry experts. Here are the key features of our program. You will get PGP in Digital Marketing Certificate and Purdue University Alumni Membership, Purdue University Faculty Masterclass, free Facebook Blueprint voucher worth $99, Harvard Business Case Study of Yahoo, Accor, TripAdvisor, etc. Industry projects and course end projects. You can get noticed by top hiring companies with Simplilearn's JobAssist. Now we have reached the most exciting and essential part of the video, average salary of a digital marketing manager. In the digital marketing industry, there is a huge demand for digital marketing managers and their salaries reflect that. Several factors determine the income a person can expect, including experience, the size of your company, your location, and your industry. Digital advertising has proven to be more convenient and effective than traditional advertising, since most of your audience is online. As a result, digital marketing is growing and becoming more popular. A digital marketing manager plays a significant role in drawing revenue into the business, and due to their highly result-driven nature, their salaries are high. A digital marketing manager earns approximately $6,72,000 per year in India, and in the US, he or she can earn roughly $75,000 per year. Lastly, let's discuss the future of digital marketing. Grandview Research reports that the global digital marketing software market size was USD 56.52 billion in 2021 and is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 19.1% from 2022 to 2030. You have looked into the new digital marketing trends at some point if you are aspiring or experienced digital marketer. The best way to succeed in digital marketing is to keep up with current trends in the field. Now we will look at the two trending technologies that use digital marketing and are on the rise. Blockchain. The data from digital advertising campaign can sometimes be inaccurate, so improvement can be difficult. Monitoring marketing campaigns in real time is achievable with blockchain for obtaining trustworthy metrics. Top brands such as Unilever are applying blockchain for improving digital advertising efficiency successfully. Augmented and virtual reality. Starbucks, Nivea, and Volkswagen all launched successfully AR and VR campaigns to better connect their brands and products to their customer. It is undeniable that these two technologies are booming and expected to grow massively in the next few years. The use of digital marketing in these technologies makes us aware the bright future of digital marketing. Here's what you have learned so far. Initially, we discussed what digital marketing is, then the components of digital marketing. Next, we discussed digital marketing business models. After that, we discussed digital marketing versus traditional marketing, and then the challenges of digital marketing. After that, we discussed the top skills required to become a digital marketer. Next, we discussed the salary part, and finally, we discussed the future of digital marketing. So with this, we have come to the end of this session on digital marketing. I hope the session was informative and exciting. In case you have questions about any of the topics covered in this session, or if you need the resources used in this session, then please feel free to let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be more than happy to resolve all your queries at the earliest. Until next time, this is Tushar from Simplilearn's team signing off. Thank you, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.